The Keily Grey Motion Sofa from Steve Silver is the perfect sofa to kick back and settle into when you're relaxing or binge watching your favorite television program or sporting event. This collection features a polyester blend faux marbled leather-like cover with baseball stitching for easy cleaning and long wear. This is a 3-cushion sofa with each outer seat a full chaise recliner, adding additional comfort without compromising style. The center back cushion has a drop-down console table and pop-up USB charging station with 2 electrical plugs. In addition, the drop-down table has 2 cup holders and storage pouch for magazines and remotes. The console loveseat features cup holders as well as 2 USB ports and an electrical outlet and 2 rocker recliner ends, and the optional rocker recliner chair has a 360-degree swivel. Antique pewter nailhead trim and padded arms complete this ultimate motion package. The reclining sofa is a full 89 inches wide with a depth of 37 inches and an overall height of 41 inches. The seat depth is 22 inches with a seat height of 25 inches. The console loveseat measures 78 inches wide with a depth of 37 inches and overall height of 41 inches. The seat depth is 22 inches and a seat height of 25 inches. The glider recliner measures 42 inches wide with a depth of 37 inches and overall height of 41 inches. The seat depth is 22 inches and a seat height of 24 inches. Your family and guest will adore the welcoming nature of this living room set. Browse other items in the Keily Grey collection online or in-store at the Great American Home Store in Memphis, Tennessee and South Haven, Mississippi.